buat juluk kalinya di Blueprints ini. Berikan tepuk tangan yang gemuruh pada Blueprints sekali lagi. Kita persilakan Tuan Koi, dipersilakan.
Assalamualaikum, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum, salam sejahtera, apa khabar semua? Actually I didn't prepare for speech today, tapi why not kan today, Hari Raya and kita punya grand opening. I would like to welcome our Datuk and Ali Agnesita, my family, friend. Thank you for coming. We really appreciate your time to be here. And actually this blueprint is for everyone. Kami buat satu sistem yang we have our own menu. Jadi senang to order whatever you want to order. So enjoy the food, enjoy the celebration. So thank you so much. And oh yeah, forgot to thank my team, midfielder Zainil, Faizul, defender Datuk Amanda, and also of course my boss Puan Shasha. And lastly, of course, my parents. Thank you for everything. And yeah, that's about it.
Actually, today I'm a proud mother. Kokoy is my son and Shasha is my daughter-in-law. Sebagai Presiden Agnesita, I have been talking to the women. Untuk kita menjadi wanita ini, legasi kita, anak-anak kita lah yang kita harus bangunkan. Bisnes atau perniagaan yang kamu buat itu, dengan rahmat doa seorang ibu, insya Allah boleh berjaya. So kepada semua usahawan baru, anything you do in this world without the blessing of your parents, it's nothing at all. Dengan ini kita sama-sama doakan Blueprints Sabah will make a name in Sabah as the advertiser #1, insyaAllah.